Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, here's how to get your design from your computer to the printer. We used to be able to use the SD cards, but they were starting to fail and not work as well. So here's what we've done. We've taken these printers and we have actually put them onto the internet. So if you take a look, right up here at the top is the internet address. That's the IP address for this printer. If for some reason you don't see it there, then what you guys can do is you can take this, go into the print function, click the middle, go back to the exit function, and it should show up right at the top there. So the IP address that we're looking for is 10.2.0.165. When we come over to our computer, what we're going to do is in the web address up there, we're going to type that in, and then after that, do a /up. What that is going to do, the /up is going to bring us to this screen. I have already preloaded it. What we are then going to do is we are going to choose our file. That's going to open up your computer, and we need to find the file that has the G-code ending at the end. We're not going to upload the STL. The 3D printer can't actually function with that STL. So I'm going to choose my G-code file. I am then going to hit open. And then I'm going to go and hit upload file. Now, the most important part is do not shut your computer until this is all uploaded. If we come back and look at our screen, it says it is downloading. So it's made that connection. It has started to upload that file. And in the lower bottom corner down here, it actually will give you a percentage done. Don't close your computer until it's all the way done. Once we are set, your file is uploaded. Some of them may take a couple minutes. Some of them may take longer than a couple of minutes. We are then going to go. You can hit print. Your file's not directly going to show up on this thing, but there's a cache file, cache.gc. And if you click that file as if you're printing it, that is going to be your uploaded file to the printer. It should warm up, it should start, and then the 3D printer should start moving right shortly after that. All right.